Did you know you could decorate a 3D printed doll without using sandpaper and messy filler stuff? So let's use soft pastels and deco charms to improvise a doll design. I wasn't sure how well the pastels would stick to the plastic, so I tried to prime the surface by spraying some sealant spray and brushing on some clear gesso. And the pastels stuck on surprisingly well after that. I dug through my craft drawer and found these rhinestones and these black half dots. I glued the rhinestones as the eyes and the black half dots as the nose. And I glued on a slightly bigger pink rhinestone to have something that matched the ears. And here's the final doll. Final design reminds me of Sableye, mixed with Snoopy. Get the full doll you know where.